Yamaha T-1 Natural Sound AM/FM Tuner. The Yamaha T-1 tuner is a vintage analog tuner that was released in 1978. It has a slim and sleek design, a 4-gang front end, a built-in calibration tone button, and a greenlit tuning scale. It is praised for its sweet and musical sound, its smooth and accurate tuning, and its solid construction. However, it lacks presets and may not have the best selectivity compared to other tuners. Here are the specs for the Yamaha T-1 Natural Sound AM/FM tuner. Type: monostereo tuner. Tuning bands: FM, MW. Tuning scale: analog. FM tuning range: 87.5 to 108 MHz. MW tuning range: 525 to 1605 kHz. Sensitivity: 1.7 UV, FM, 15 UV, MW. Signal to noise ratio: 78 dB, FM, 50 dB, MW. Distortion: 0.13%, FM, 0.4%, MW. Selectivity: 92 dB, FM, 30 dB, MW. Frequency response: 30 Hz to 15 kHz, FM. Output: 500 MV, FM, 125 MV, MW. Dimensions: 435 by 97 by 376 millimeters. Weight: 5.7 kilograms.
Back here, it maybe you got to lose that attitude.
Un tronco no quiero, una buchona.
Thank God I didn't bust my lip up, but I knocked the bottom right at...
Ay, desilusión y todo.
Pasa de que yo estaba bien.
Led 430 licks with convertible top, and the rims keep spinning every time I stop. Got a Superman biz that I scored.
I was living in my simple life at the time.
But if I do that, you're all over me. And you know what God said to me?
So you have to have perfect attendance from the beginning of the school year through March 2017.
That's easy, because
It's a good...
For the NCAA tournament. Dan Muller is the head coach of Illinois State. Hold on, can I have this up?
This is the Doug Gottlieb Show. This is the Doug Gottlieb Show. This is the Doug Gottlieb Show.
Any questions? Wait. Could you ask me again?
This is the Doug Gottlieb. This is the Doug Gottlieb Show.
There you go. Have a great weekend. Enjoy it. March Madness is here. The best time of the year. Cliche? Yes, but cliches mostly are repeated because they're true.
Big Mo case on here. The new smokehouse pizza from Little Caesars is certified smoker-fried. 8-hour smoked brisket, certified beaker-fried. 10-hour smoked pulled pork, certified hawker-fried. Applewood smoked bacon, certified bacon-fried. And the smokehouse seasoned crust and tangy barbecue sauce, certified smoke-fried. And what's better than 3 smoked meats on one pizza? This certifiable price. The new smokehouse pizza from Little Caesars is only $9. Pizza.
At participating locations plus tax.
A hearty breakfast that gets you out of bed in the morning and the road that lets you safely get to work have one thing in common: salt. Not only does salt make your food taste better, it makes icy roads safer. Using salt...
Free. Yeah. Okay, so anybody can just show up. Yeah, you...
Pero se enamoró también Copino.
It's a very, very, very fine.
You know what, I'll be honest with you, I don't think God cares at all that we haven't arrived. He just wants us to be pressing on. We won't arrive as long as we're in this fleshly body. Paul said, I've not arrived, but one thing I do, I'm pressing toward the mark. And I'm so proud of you because you're pressing toward the mark. Even if you're sitting at home and you watch the program all the way through, I'm